In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote high ticket Clickbank products for free using a free traffic source. A traffic source that's been used by some of the top internet marketers. As you can see on the screen down here, recipients counted is 14,123,000 and clicks generated 495,000 clicks. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to use this free traffic source, start driving traffic to your system, to your program, to your website, to any affiliate offer, especially if you're working with Clickbank. And I'm going to show you how you can promote a high ticket offer on Clickbank, a product that where you can promote and start earning over $2,500 per sale in commissions. I'm going to show you how to get approved for that product as well. So let's dive into this video. So this video is all about how to drive traffic. As you know, traffic is the king in this business. If you're doing affiliate marketing and you just don't know how to get traffic, then no one's going to see your website. And if no one sees your website, no one's going to purchase a product. So it doesn't matter how good the product is, doesn't matter how good the website is, doesn't matter how good your sales funnel is, you need to get traffic. Now, traffic means real human eyeballs to the offer. Okay, now you can do two ways to get traffic. One is the free way to get traffic, one is the paid way to get traffic. In this video, I'm sharing the free way to generate traffic from a source which is proven and tested by some of the top internet marketers, and some of the top internet marketers are using this free traffic source for quite some time. So it's not something that they came in 1 month, 2 months, they've been on this and then they left. No, some of these internet marketers have been on this for 1 or 2 years, which shows that there's definitely something to be done on this free traffic source. That's why those top internet marketers are still using it. And I came across this top free traffic source through a top internet marketer myself when I saw that he was consistently promoting a product on this platform, and he was sharing his results with how many subscribers and leads he has generated, and he's generating every single month. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get into this video. In this video, we are talking more about Clickbank here. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to log into your Clickbank account, okay? And then you want to go to the Clickbank marketplace. Now I'm on the Clickbank marketplace, so you can see there are so many products down here. If you just click on here, you're going to find so many products. Most people will promote products from the e-business and the health and fitness niche, okay, because there's so much money to be made in these two niches. But we are talking about a high ticket product, a product that can pay you $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 commissions. Okay, so you can find a lot of high ticket products on Clickbank itself, but I want to give you a product that will pay you up to $2,500 per sale in commissions. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, you need to come to this website address here. Okay, it's a Clickbank product, remember, and you're going to get paid through Clickbank. And I've already spoke about this in my previous video, doing the math that if you're promoting a $20 offer and you're intending to get up to $1,000 days, you will need 50 sales a day. Based on 1% conversion, you'll need 5,000 clicks per day. Now, it's possible, but it's not easy. But if you're promoting a product that makes over $2,500 per sale, you just need about 4 sales per month to get $10,000. And if you can get like 1 sale or 2 sales every week, you know you can do the math yourself. Okay, so it's easy, and it's better to promote a high ticket product compared to a low ticket product. Okay, so in this video, let me show you the high ticket product that you need to promote. So first of all, you need to come to this website. Okay, this is the website. You need to come here, you can check this out, you can read through everything down here. Okay, so you can see here, so this is a guy who is part of Clickbank, okay, and he has helped thousands of people make money online. He's one of the top Clickbank gurus with a platinum award and 9x platinum member. Okay, so he's helping people how to generate commissions online. So he has a page down here where you can promote this and earn up to $2,500 per sale. Alright, so how do you actually promote this product? Okay, now remember, this is a Clickbank product. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to click on this orange button down here, okay, and you want to click here, orange button. You want to read through if you want to, just scroll down, okay, and then down here you're going to put your real name, first name, you're going to put your last name, you're going to put your real email address here. This is very, very important, because this is where you're going to get all the information and the JV tools to promote this product, okay. So very, very important that you make sure you have your real email address here. And then down here you're going to put your Clickbank ID, which is your Clickbank username. Make sure this is correct, because if it's not, you're not going to get paid. And once you do that, first name, last name, email address, and Clickbank ID, and then click on whitelist me to promote. When you click on this, within 24 to 48 hours, you're going to be approved to promote this product, okay, and you're going to receive a Clickbank notification into your email to see if you have been approved or not. So make sure you check your email, check the promotional tabs, check the update tabs. If you don't see any emails, then check your junk and spam folder. The email might have arrived into that junk folder, okay. So make sure you fill in these details with your real info, click on this, and then within 24 hours you will receive an email from Clickbank saying that you have been approved to promote this product. Alright, so once you have been approved, then you're going to have an affiliate link, and you're going to be driving traffic to that affiliate link. Every time one of your visitors purchase the product, guess who makes the money? You do. And you can make up to $2,500 per se. Now just close your eyes for a bit, okay? For a moment, close your eyes and visualize you logging into your Clickbank account and seeing this $2,500 sale. Just think, just feel it, okay? Do this on a daily basis so it motivates you to promote product without giving up, okay? And do this on a daily basis, because this is part of visualization. When you visualize, you're going to attract it as well, okay? So now let's talk about the free traffic. Now we're talking about free traffic in this video. I will be coming up with some video with paid traffic as well, where you can get instant results. Let's talk about free traffic. So for the free traffic source that I'm talking about down here is called the Listro, okay? So first of all, you need to create a free account with Listro. It's absolutely free to join, okay? Once you have created free account, then you need to have some credit. Now, how does this credit system works? I'm just going to show this very, very quickly to you on how this credit system works. So you come here into your email account, and you could see here these emails. So you could see this one of the email down here is called Listro. If I click on here, okay, and if I scroll down, okay, watch this. I'm just going to click here, all right, and it's going to open up a page here, all right. So when this page comes up, it's just a program that this person's promoting, any different programs. So you need to do some surfing of websites. So you can see this is a website that she is promoting. This woman joined the community, and it's a website down here. You can see on the left hand side down here, 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6. This click is going to give me 38 credits. I have a total of 1044 credits, okay. Now there you go, it's gone to 0 seconds. So I'm going to get off this and come to another page and see if I have another email from Listro. So there it is. So I've got another one. I'm going to click on this and do the same thing, and you're going to keep on doing it until you have at least 1000 credits, okay. It takes about 10 minutes to 20 minutes to get up to 1000 credits, okay. So you want to surf a few websites, get up to 1000 credits, and once you get to 1000 credits, you will be able to blast the email out to 1000 active members on this website, okay. So I'm going to go to the history down here, and I'm going to show you how this all works. So you could see here I've got a couple of emails that I have sent out already to different people, okay. So you can see here the last email was sent out in July, and you can see I got 112 opens, I got 71 clicks, alright. So you can see here that this system is delivering traffic and clicks, okay. So I'm going to send the email out quickly. I already have 1082 credits. It's already been updated. So let's do this, okay. So this is free traffic. Remember, when it comes to free traffic, you have to be consistent with a never giving up attitude. So I'm going to click on send email. I'm going to scroll down, okay, and let's click on create mailing. How many credits would you like to use? I'm going to use 1000. That's my best number here, okay. and then down here I'm just going to put this here, okay, and then I'm going to change this. All right, so let's see. Yep, I'm going to change it. I'll put my Clickbank high ticket offer link down here. All right, this is very, very important. I'm going to leave everything as it is. Okay, now because I'm not a paid member, I can't highlight this and make it a clickable link. Okay, so I'll have to leave the email as it is. If you're a paid member, what you can do is you can just highlight this and make it clickable. Okay, let me show you if I can see something down here. So if I come here, open this person's page, okay, he's a free member, you could tell because I can't see any kind of clickable links there. So you get the idea what I'm trying to say here. So you can make it a clickable, but still it's okay for me because people will come here to the bottom and click on that link. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on send message, and it's going to send this message out to over 1,000 people. All right, so 1,000 people are going to get this message. So I'm going to click on send message. All right, and then it's just going to redirect me to this random page, which I don't care. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. All right, and there you go, my mailing. If I just refresh this, you're going to see that okay, so let's just see. You can see last mailing Monday today, which is 2026. It's already been sent out. Okay, it's in the queue. So this email will go out to 1,000 members and hopefully hoping to get some opens and clicks. So this is free traffic. I'm telling you, free traffic. Now remember, because it's free traffic, you have to do it on a regular basis. And because I'm a free member, I could only do this once in every 5 days. If I become a paid member, I could send out an email out every day. Okay, so I got this from a top internet marketer who's actually very known top internet marketer, and I saw him constantly promoting his product and generating leads and subscribers, etc. So I decided to give this a try, and so far it's been good for me. Okay, so it's a free traffic network that you can go and use, and I just showed you one of the way to get free traffic. There are so many other ways to get free traffic as well. All right, so you can see here, these are ads. People click on these ads and you get traffic. So if you just go to the left hand side, you will see so many things. You can see the spotlight ads, top member ads, login ads, etc, etc. And so you could get free traffic from different ways using this platform. Okay, so I just shared one of the ways to get free traffic. Stay tuned because I'm going to come up with some brand new video with more traffic sources, including paid traffic.